Good morning again, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at these wind socks. I'll throw a link down in the description for them, and they're supposed to help out the sound on the films that we're taking. That's something that I've been trying to look into best that I can. A lot of the times we're getting so much wind noise in the videos that I basically have to silence it and go ahead and talk over. So, you know, we're always trying to improve. So we're going to do a little bit of testing on this. This is probably going to be a relatively short video. We're going to take out the fat tire bike, as the fat tire is going to be the one that's going to make the most noise. We're going to see about just running it up and down the driveway several times with the camera in different positions, and with the sock on and with the sock off, and we'll see what we come up with. So stick around, and maybe we'll all learn something together. So of course with this one we've got the camera on the handlebar, and we're riding over gravel. And we're going to go, we'll see how fast we're going on it here in just a second. But this is without the wind sock on it. So we're going to turn around right down here, and we're just going to go ahead and hit it. Kind of go pretty quick. See what we pick up. We're at about 15 miles an hour, and we're just now getting on gravel, and about up to about 20 miles an hour. So we took it up to about 20 miles an hour in the gravel. So we're at 10 miles an hour on dirt. Grass at 15 miles an hour. We're at 21 miles an hour with the camera facing back. Now for our next test, we've got of course, the camera's facing forward, and we're going to see what happens with it there. We're going to go up to about the same 20 miles an hour. We're on the same bike, and we'll kind of see what the difference is. So we're on grass right now, and we are at 15. Now we're just hitting the gravel, and we're at 20 miles an hour. No wind sock. Okay, this is going to be forward facing with the wind sock on. I'll bet you all even had it figured out that that we were forward facing on this one right off the bat, didn't you? But let's go ahead and pick it up here. We're at 10 miles an hour, 12, 14, 15, hitting the gravel. 19, 21, about 21 miles an hour at the peak of the gravel, right there. Now when I went back and loaded up the videos, I noticed there was a difference in the sound of the wind, but the road noise seemed to kind of stay pretty close to the same. So I wanted to do one more test. So we brought it out onto the road. We're still on the fat bike, but we're going to see how it does with just the wind. So we're going to take it up to about 25 miles an hour without being on gravel, and we're going to see what that does. After all, this is called a wind sock. So this is with no wind sock on it. We'll wait till this car comes by. So we're at 17, 19, 20, 21, was a lot of wind noise. This is with the windsock on. We're at 20 miles an hour. I'm sorry, 23, 24, and that's right under 25 miles per hour. Well, what did we learn, Internet? Well, we learned first and foremost to watch where we're going. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it kind of looks like he's been hit. Aggressive little booger. Yeah, go on, buddy. So, what did we learn in addition to leave the snakes alone? Well, we learned that they actually call this the, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but this is the VGSION Windslayer. And it's a windsock is what it is. It's sold as a pair for $10, maybe it's $10.97, something like that, $10 or $11. So, you know, you've got about $5 a piece into them. I've used one quite a few times here. There's no sign that it's going to wear out or anything like that. We found out that it absolutely cuts out a lot of the wind noise. It does not cut out road noise. So there's still some issues that we're dealing with to try and improve the audio quality. But this is a good start. This is a definite step in the right direction. So we're going to be using it. And so if you like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit that like button. And until next time, Internet, stay safe, God bless, and keep them wheels rolling. Hey, we're out.